associative property formula union A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Intersection formula A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. You have seen first three sums in previous video. This is the continuity of the same exercise. Fourth sum, verify the associative property of intersection of the sets. Associative property. Given question A, B, C. Solution. Associative property of intersection of the sets. Associative property have two formula. First formula in union, second one intersection. So intersection formula A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. So first we find left hand side B intersection C is equal to value of B intersection value of C. Intersection meaning common elements. So we pick out the common elements. So root 3 and root 5. So next A intersection B intersection C. A value intersection B value common enna value adha intersection. So idhula irukkudiya 2 set la irukkudiya common element root 5. So this is equation number 1 left hand side. Same time right hand side first we find that A intersection B value of A intersection value of B. So that's equal to intersection meaning common element in both set. So root 5. Next we find A intersection B intersection C. So that's equal to intersection B value root 5 intersection C value. So common element root 5. So root 5. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 it is verified that A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Fifth question, if A is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power N, where N this is belongs to W and N less than 4. N this is belongs to W. W is a whole number. N oda value whole number irukano, adha vida below 4 agum irukano. Value of B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2N, where N this is belongs to N. N meaning natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3. And N less than or is equal to 4 meaning 1 to 4. C is equal to some element. Verify associative property of intersection of a sets. We know that associative property intersection formula. So solution, let A is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power N. N this is belongs to W. N less than 4. Value of X. So X is equal to 2 power. Whole number starting with 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So first N value 0. So we substitute 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Reason, any number power 0 is equal to 1. Next X is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 power 2, 4. X is equal to 2 power 3, 8. So value of A is equal to given answers 1, 2, 4, 8. This is a set element. So second set, B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2N, where N is a natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3. So up to 4. So 4. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, 2s are 4. X is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. X is equal to then 8. Reason, X is equal to 2N, where N value substitute 1, 2, 3 up to 4. So value of B is equal to the set of 2, 4, 6, 8. C value already they are given 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Then the question, associative property of intersection of sets. Formula, we know that A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. First we find that left hand side, next we find right hand side. Both sets are equal. So hence proved. So first we denoted B intersection C is equal to value of B intersection value of C. So that's equal to common element in both sets 2, 6. Next A intersection B intersection C. Value of A intersection value of B intersection C value. So common elements only 2. So 2 is a set. So A intersection B intersection C value, the set of 2. Equation number 1. So hence left hand side is over. Next we find out the right hand side. So left hand side, first we find A intersection B, value of A intersection value of B. So that's equal to common elements in both sets 2, 4, 8. So 2, 4, 8. Next A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B value intersection C value. So common element in both set 2 only. So 2. So from equation 1 and 2 it is verified. So that is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Okay students, this is the homework sum. Do the given homework and revise all the sums. Thank you student.